what's up everybody? I don't know, welcome to Big Style TV. Right, and I'm going to go to the lake and do some fishing and thing. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Big Style TV. This is your boy King Spikes. Right now, this is my fish that I catch yesterday. So, I have scaled them and actually cut them in two. And it's like a debone. It's not a debone. I just cut them in two and pick out the bone out of them. Now I'm going to bait them. This over here is my herb sauce. It's like a pesto, but it don't have any Parmesan cheese or pine nut. Basically, it's just olive oil with garlic, rosemary, sage.